30 years professional experience, like contractors and industrial doors, high-speed doors, and so on, are all part of our production items. Look the word behind OLAND, the blue one, is our logo. Okay, guys, let me show you around. Let's go. Entering our workshop 1. Please follow me. Look, this one is our industrial sliding doors, and its application very range wide. You can choose a small door like us. It's very convenient for workers to pass, and you can use it in warehouse and small workshops. You often use these doors. Okay, this is our production area, and this is our main production line. Our PVC curtain will be processing on there. PVC curtain will be compared to these machines. Our workers will be processing hot melting and cutting are all on there. And you can see here are many has been completed here. Okay, boss, there are our section doors processing area, and you can see there are our panels materials on there, and you can choose what you want the panels, and once you pick up your line, we will process it here, and the models can do many what you want the styles like well partners and the orange hues, and you also can choose you like the style and the colors. We have many colors panels on here like black and brown and yellow and what you want. Okay, let's go. Okay, boss, now we are in the workshop 3, which is our shipping, assembly, and the quantity inspection area. And you can see this is the wooden box, and we are prepared for the packing. And before the delivery, we all do the inspection, test the motor and the control box. If once your production pass the inspection, we will put the sticker on your production, and it proves that everything is fine. Okay, guys, now we are in our warehouse. As you can see, our many raw materials and motor and accessories all will be stocked on there. And as you can see, our factory have many machines, and it's nearly 90% will be done by machines. So there's a very little area in the production. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. Today is over, and looking forward to build the win-win long-term cooperation with you. Please be free to contact with us. Thank you.